I was very happy to see thousands and thousands of the Gen Zs in State House. That was not your idea. Somebody might have lied to you because they wanted to eat some money and money. I know some 20, 30 people who have bought nice cars. Now they're driving cars, courtesy of that activity that happened there. Because the intended mission or the intended reason for the money did not go where it was supposed to go. But somebody somewhere just decided to do this and ni mabroka tu, sinajua tu ni mabroka, hata wao walikuwa broker. Na things just happened and they happened. And people are driving cars, people are building houses now, people are doing businesses at the expense of the people who came there. I saw these people that came here, you gave them some food to eat, some drinks to drink, but unfortunately they left so much of them there. The drinks, the sodas were left there. Then some of these guys were never given what you promised them. The motorbikes were never reached to the people that were intended. There are several organizations that had applied for the same, they never received. Somebody somewhere took it away. I don't want to say it is you. I don't want to say it is your people. I want to say somebody somewhere just corrupted his way and they took away what you intended for this Gen Z. But let me look at this. Was it your idea for these people to come to State House? Yes, you might say so through your PA, through your politician, through many people around you. They might have said, yes, they can say it is the initiative of the president, but no, that was a godly initiative. When we went to the mountain, we prayed for that. When we went on our knees to pray, we prayed that Gen Zs must go to State House in whatever way, but in a very peaceful way. That Gen Zs are not going to be shot dead. Or what we needed, the Gen Zs, is to occupy the streets of Nairobi. They did that in the first place. Then occupy parliament, which they did. They successfully did. But when they tried to come to State House, somehow, I don't know what you did with your people. These guys were unable even to walk because things had just happened. Weird things happened to them. They were not able to come. So we sought the will of God that these children, because their intention is just kukanyagisha miguu State House for whatever reason that God wanted them to go to State House for the awakening